First light touches dawn, whispers soft begin to play. Mountains wake with silent yawn. Nature breathes the start of day. Rivers hum a gentle plea. Leaves in the hush now with a tale. Wings of breeze dance wild and free. Echoes of the woodland sail. Sky embraces endless blue. Sunlight paints with golden grace. Whispers soft and sights anew. In this tranquil, boundless space. Moonrise chases twilight's glow. Stars ignite their twinkling light. Crickets sing their tune below. Harmony in nature's might. Silent shadows play their part. Stillness speaks in quiet sighs. Beauty's grandeur, nature's heart. In the vastness spirit flies.